Jesus' birthday is not your birthday. Why do you want to impress people who don't even know you? Christmas is every year, right? So guys, why don't you just treat it like any other special day? Your like your Sunday food, for example. Hello everyone, it's the lady in the forest and I come back. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new here, welcome, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always clicking that button. I really do appreciate all of your support, your comments, your interactions. I am really grateful. Now guys, today I am here with a requested video by one of my fellow content creators, also a YouTuber, right? Her name is Gabby, right? So she owns a channel called Gabby's Happy Life. So do go and check out her channel so that you can see, maybe you will like what you see there, and please do subscribe to her channel and let us become one family, guys. Just don't forget to let her know that I sent you. Now, dear content creators, are you using TubeBuddy? Do you know what TubeBuddy is? Now let me plug you. Now this, guys, TubeBuddy is a tool for every content creator. Each and every content creator should have TubeBuddy. Now it helps to understand your analytics. It helps you to understand what kind of videos you should be making, and it also helps you to basically see your videos against other creators which you actually want to create. Now there is a link in the description down below. Please click on it and then you download your TubeBuddy. You can choose the free version first, and then later, if you see that you love it, then you can upgrade to the pro. Now if you are under 1,000 subscribers, there is a beautiful discount for you. So why not download TubeBuddy today? Remember to use this link down below so that you can have access to all the perks and all of that. So yeah, let's get back into the video. All right, so Gabby's Happy Life basically commented on one of my videos. She said that she would like, or she would love for me to do tips for Christmas. Now guys, I am here to basically share with you. I want to share with you 5 beautiful tips for Christmas. Now without wasting more time, the first tip is, I want you, everybody, come closer, stay focused. Number 1, I would like each and everybody to practice being focused. Now Christmas comes once a year. Christmas is every year. Christmas is that season which it doesn't come unexpectedly. You know, every year there is the 25th of December. You know, every year there is that Christmas festivities and all of that. So guys, stay focused. Remember, you are in that season, but there's a reason for it. Now many of the people that I have seen observed, they derail from the purpose, the true purpose of Christmas. Now if you are a Christian like me, if you follow Christ, right, you would know that Christ is the reason for this season. He came, he was born for us and later died, right? Now guys, if you are celebrating Christ, you should be focused. You should be focused on the reason for that season. So don't derail from the purpose of Christmas, basically, that is so to say. And with being focused, I would like to emphasize on your spending, right? Guys, I know Christmas can make you so jubilous, and you know, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Don't jingle your money away, guys. Do not do that. Why? Because there is another month waiting for you. There's January waiting for you. And I know people are always complaining, especially in my country, Namibia. People are always complaining about January, and I'm sure that it's basically the same all around the world, because people spend so much money during Christmas season, during the festivities, and then they end up forgetting that there's a January waiting for you 31 months ahead. So yeah guys, spend less. Make sure that you are focused. What is the reason for Christmas? Why are you celebrating? Define your celebration. What does celebration actually mean to you, right? Is it buying 5 goats and 20 cows? Is it just maybe going to your favorite restaurant? Or is it spending time with your family? Now you need to stay focused. Remember, stay focused. Tip number 2, this is my beautiful, most favorite tip. Do not impress anybody, right? There is a quote that says, don't go broke, trying to impress people you don't know, who don't even care about you and don't even know you. Guys, I don't know why we do this. You want to impress every time. Why do you want to impress? It's Christmas. It's Jesus' birthday. It's not your birthday. Why do you want to impress people who don't even know you? Now you want to buy 5 bags of potatoes. You want to kill the fattest goat. You want to, you want to have the best decoration in your house. Stop that, right? And I am not against celebrating. I simply want to let you know that you should not impress people. And my fellow content creators, I know you want to create content. I know you want people to click on your channel, but sometimes if you go so much out of your way and simply just because you want to get views and subscribers, no, that should not be a reason for the season, guys. So don't try to impress people who don't care about you. 99% of the people don't care what you are doing. They don't even care whether you are eating on Christmas or not. So why not just enjoy Christmas and remain focused? Stay focused on the reason, and that is it, right? Now guys, our tip number 3, I want you to pray. I want you to pray. That is a beautiful tip for Christmas. Pray for yourself, pray for your neighbors, pray for your friends, pray for your family members, pray for everybody, especially everyone on the roads, because the time of festivities can also be a time for recklessness. People know it's like Christmas is a drug or what, I don't know. Please pray that everybody is safe, at least you that is sober. Pray that everybody is safe, guys. So it's not fashionable to die. It's not fashionable to be injured. It's not fashionable to lie in hospital. But guys, there are really people that are in hospitals. There are people that are suffering during this Christmas season. Pray for that one child who lost their parents. Pray for that woman who is suffering from depression, right? And as you can see, guys, Christmas can be a time of certain emotions, because you were probably used to spending Christmas with a certain group of people or with someone, and then suddenly this person is no longer there. When Christmas comes, you may be triggered to basically just want to cry or just be emotional or actually get depressed. So guys, pray. When you can, pray. Even when you are tired, just pray. Just commit your life in the hands of the Lord and pray for everyone else around you. Right. Our tip number 4, I love it, and it's our tip number 4 says, or I basically want to tell you guys, say no. No is a complete sentence. Remember to say no. You don't need to go out and drink. You don't need to go out and attend somebody's party where you need to maybe bring stuff or whatever. You don't need, guys. It is okay to stay at your house and eat your pap and fleece, or eat your pap and milk. Guys, you will not die. You will not die if you say no, right? Say no also to overspending. Guys, the best tip I can give you for Christmas, in my experience, treat Christmas as any other day that you ought to celebrate. Basically, you go to the shop, you buy your monthly groceries, and from that monthly groceries, remember, Christmas comes once a year. Christmas is every year, right? So guys, why don't you just treat it like any other special day, like your Sunday food, for example, right? You don't need to go excessive. Say no to the urge of social media influence. I know guys, it can really get tough, but it's okay to say no, and it's okay to totally have and build and even save during Christmas, guys. Now, with saving and with saying no, I also want to introduce you to something that ShopRite offers, right? It's called I'll put a picture somewhere. It's basically called, you just buy and then you can, every time you go to the shop, then you can basically buy stamps. Now those stamps range from $10 or 20 Namibian dollars, denoted in rands, right? So you can basically buy those stamps and then you can be pasting them in that book. Comes January, guys, comes January, you are basically having your stamps that you can use for your groceries. Remember that these stamps cannot be exchanged for cash, but you can actually use these stamps to buy your groceries. So a 20 rand stamp or 20 Namibian dollar stamp equals to the same value of money that you can buy your groceries with. So guys, be wise and say no. Say no to poverty in January. Say no to being broke in January. Say no to excessive spending. It's not needed. It's not important. It's not important. It's not very important. And our tip number 5, guys, I love it. I love it because that is the reason for this video. Basically, tip number 5, guys, don't be so serious. Celebrate the little that you have. Celebrate the most that you have. Celebrate one another. Celebrate each other. Celebrate somebody close to you. Celebrate your husband, your baby mama, your baby daddy. Celebrate your child. Celebrate your mom. Celebrate your dad. Celebrate Jesus Christ in your heart. Celebrate by giving your heart to Jesus, right? So now, guys, celebration can be different from person to person. Now I want you to define what celebration is. What is celebration? What does Christmas for me personally, Christmas means a time where we basically remember he was born, and it's a time of new beginnings. For me, Christmas is a time of new beginnings. Christmas is also a season for me to rededicate my life to God and to Christ, and for me to basically be aware that there are people that don't have, and when I'm in a position to help, I need to help, right? With celebration as well, give back to your community, give back to others. You don't need to be a billionaire to donate 50 chairs and 5 computers to a local school. No, give in the way that you can, wherever you can, at your level, right? So for example, you can go out to the streets and bless a street kid with a cool drink, bless a street kid with bread that day, bless a street kid with sweets, you know, just at your level, guys. That is basically what celebration can mean. Make sure that you are giving off of yourself. Even if you are an introvert, it doesn't matter. There is this thing that God has created, right? We are givers. Naturally, we are givers. If you don't give, then you are you're not working in what God has created you to be. So practice giving. And if you are a shy person, maybe send an e-wallet, send that notification, guys. And I'm not saying send a lot of money. You can even just bless your grandmother in the village. Give her a new beanie. When winter comes, you know that she is covered, she's protected. Get in pep and buy those sandals for those kids at your house that are always looking at you when you come in your vrupa. Guys, there is no limit to giving, and there is no standard for giving. Make sure that the gift is from your heart. If your heart is producing a plastic cup, it's okay. Give it. Right now, guys, if you are enjoying this, please do hit that red button right now. Please subscribe to my channel because I have more. Do I have more? No. Please subscribe to my channel and let us become family, right? I don't want to promise anything that I cannot deliver, child. Anyways, I would like you guys, thank you so much for staying, and I would like to give you tip. Now, our bonus tip, guys, this one goes out to everyone around the world, and especially in Namibia. This tip, you need to be vigilant. Be aware of scammers. Be aware of scammers, guys. Stay safe. Do not click any links that you don't trust. In fact, my security is I don't click links at all that I don't know. You understand, right? And me being me, I'm very skeptical of links, right? So guys, there are certain people that are running syndicates, scamming people and stuff like that. And even when you go out there, guys, sometimes you go to a place where you don't know, and somebody will say, yeah, you know, come here, bring your bags, and you know, we are going to translate. You know, there are certain scams that are known, but some scams you wouldn't really know. A scam that you may not know is it's basically just maybe someone just saying, you know what, my sister, stay safe out there. You might not really see that this one is a scam from the get-go, but be vigilant. And that goes out to number 3 that I have mentioned, that when you pray, guys, the Spirit of God will allow you to be able to discern if this is a scam or not. So guys, in this Christmas season, I know you want to enjoy, I know you want to spend, I know you want to look all nice, you know, but guys, make sure not to fall into the temptation of wanting to make more money and then falling into scams. All right, so yeah guys, please do comment down below if you have an extra Christmas tip that you would like to give the people of the beautiful nations out there. And yeah guys, do comment down below what you have learned basically from this video. And guys, I wish you a beautiful festive season. I wish you a beautiful jingle bells, jingle all the way. Remember that Christ is the reason for the season. Don't overdo it. I remember there's tomorrow. Remember there's also a Christmas again next year. So yeah guys, I really want to thank you if you have been watching until the end, or even if you've just clicked on this video. I will really advise you to stay until the end, because guys, these tips may just save you. All right, now guys, I would also like to thank each and everybody who has been the support to our channel. Our channel is really growing and we are almost at 500 subscribers, guys. I'm truly grateful. And Namibia, I would really just like to put our Namibian roads in prayers each and every day, that our roads are safe and that there are no accidents are on the roads. You know guys, I am really praying and really having faith for the best. All right, so I love you guys. Do not forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, share with all of your friends, and guys, yeah man, why not get on the wagon and use TubeBuddy. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next upload. Bye bye.